Y'all ain't ready for this.
Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts, and this is Tracy. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate my subscribers, and if you're new to this channel, I hope you come back. Today I'm going to be making a floral wreath bow. I have this easy bow maker. I don't know how easy it is, but it's going to guide me in making this bow. I also have this ribbon, and it's 2 inches, and it should be a little wider, but this is what I've got, so this is what I'm going to use. And also some floral wire. So you are to cut a piece of wire approximately 16 inches long. And that's how long this bow maker is. So I'll use that for measurement. After cutting the wire, you put it in the middle of these 2 dowels. And try to do it evenly. I turn one piece of the wire towards me and one piece away from me. Then you'll get your ribbon. You want to do your streamer first. And you'll cut a piece approximately the size of this bow maker, which is 8 inches, and you're gonna need 16 inches. So I've doubled it. This was already cut. It's a little over 16 inches. You place it straight down between the dowels. If I can get it in there. Take it down to the bottom and then half twist it, pushing it down. I made it extra long so that I will be cutting off at the end, because I'll be making a little design at the end, either cutting them in a diagonal, or what is the other one, where I cut a little V inside here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do the ends yet. Okay, then you take your spool of ribbon, and this end here is where you place your ribbon. This is a wide spool, but anyhow, ooh, that noise. So I need to measure out about 5 inches of ribbon. And so they've got the inch marks here from the dowel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to make a loop to come out that far. So let's see. There we go. So there's the loop. Now you place this in between these dowels and bring your loop to the 5 inches, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you take this and twist it halfway. Then you'll do the same thing on this side. Let's see if I can do this. Hold on. I'm taking this off. I don't want it on there. Be easier not to have it on there. Okay, so I'm going to measure out 5 inches over here, which this is the 5-inch mark. So I'm going to loop it over and bring it in between the dowels. Like so. And then I'll twist that like I did before. It's a half twist. Now I'll need to do one more of these on each side at the same length. So 5 inches. I think it would have been easier just to cut off some of this ribbon from the spool. But we're going to go with it. Alright, that's 5 inches. Place it in between the dowels. Twist it. Do one more loop like that for 5 inches. Bring it over. Place it in between the 2 dowels. And twist it and push it down. Now I'm going to need to do 2 on each side at 4 inches. Let me just take some of this off because this is irritating. Okay, so I'm going to take this ribbon and measure 4 inches over here on this side and make a loop. Make that loop and put the ribbon, slide it in as such. And I'm holding my finger here at the 4-inch mark so that I can pull it tight enough so that it can be 4 inches. Once I get it in, twist it and push down. So I'm going to do this 3 more times. I need 4 inches on this opposite side. Let's see. Put it between. And twist it and push it down. So that's one on that side, that's one on this side. So I do another 4-inch loop on this side. Bring your ribbon once again in between the dowels, straight down. I'm holding onto my loop over here. And then I'll twist that and push it down. So that's 2 4 inches on that side. And I'll do one more on this side. So I'm going to put my finger over here at the same size of that, loop underneath, bring the ribbon back over and loop it, place it in between the dowels, come on, and pull it this way. Now I'll twist that and push it down. Now I'm going to make my little loop in the middle, and you only need about 2 inches of yarn for that. So I'm going to cut this off because it is working my nerves. Cut that away from the spool. All right, so 2 inches is, you're only going to do that on one side. 2 inches is about right here. This is 2 inches over on this bow maker. I'm going to put my finger here. Ooh, I almost didn't have enough. Well, it can be 1.5 to 2 inches. So I'm just going to, maybe I need to do it 1.5 because I cut it too short. Feed that inside there. Twist it down. Now push all this down as far as you can get it. Bring your wire that's in front of you, bring it up. Bring this other one up as well. Now you'll take it between the dowels. Take this one on this side, take the other one across. And then you'll twist your wire pushing down. I'm going to take it out. Let's see if I can get this out because I want to push it down further. Oh, carefully take it out. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. It's tight in there. Okay. There we go. I'll move this out of the way. And that way I can see what I'm doing because I can push all this ribbon down further before I tighten this wire. Okay, now I can twist this wire several times, securing all of that. Uh-oh, am I twisting it the right way? Am I twisting it the wrong way? Twist it this way. I'm going to twist it again. Then I'm going to go around the back. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to twist it in the back. Let me twist that a couple, am I on the camera? A couple times. A couple, 3 times. Let me do it 3 times. Okay. Okay, I'm going to flip it over and bring this little circle up. This is for the middle of the bow. Now you just start to shape your bows. So this is a 4-inch one. Open it up. fluff it a little bit. This one on this side as well. Open them all up. This is wire ribbon, so it shapes, it forms. I'm just going to open them up and then I'll move them around after I get them open. So I'll do the 5-inch ones now. That's one. Here's the other. Let's do this side. This is one. Let's get that right. And let's do the other. Then you play with them to get them how you want. So I'm going to pull the swag down. Is that what you call it? The hanging ribbon. I'm going to pull that down. And it's rather long. I'm going to cut it. And then I can move these around to shape it how I want it to be. Open them up. Move them around. There we go. So there you have it. Let me cut some of this off. That's rather long. So I like mine. Those are long. Okay. I'm going to fold it in half and just cut on the diagonal. Like that. And then you get this V in the middle. And then do the other one, and I want it to be, I do want it to be a little longer than this one. I'm going to offset them. So I'm going to come down here, fold that in half, and then I'll cut a V on this side as well. I'll cut a diagonal on this side, forming the V. And it's not that much longer, but there it is. So here's my ribbon for my wreath. And you can make it as full as you want, but this is for a wreath, so you just want some on this side and some on that side instead of all. You know, there's several different kind of wreaths you can make, but this is to fit on. There's several different types of ribbons you can make, but this is to fit on the wreath. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Peace and love. I'm out.